kí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ kóòtù òjíire nílé lóko àtìlẹ́yìn òdì níbikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń wò wá. Mo bẹ̀ yín ni mo rọ̀ yín ni o, ẹ bá mi pé ètò yìí kọ́tọ̀ dáadáa. Mo lérò pé gbogbo ọ̀nà láti gbọ́ ohun tó ń lọ àti lẹ́tà tí bàbá wa Prof Akintoye tí wọ́n kọ sí bàbá Tinubu. Mo wá mú ọ̀rọ̀ kan wá fún wa tí mo fẹ́ pè fún wa tí mo fẹ́ kí a jọ kéjà wa gbọ́. Gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ ń dá òtún pé bóyá tí àwọn ọmọ kóòtù òjíire tá a bá dá dúró ọyẹ ibi ọ̀pá wa àbí a ò ní nǹkan tá a fi lè dá dúró. Irọ́ ni o, a ní nǹkan tá a fi lè dá dúró. Tá a bá dáwọ́ orílẹ̀-èdè lò ní pa wá, ẹ má bẹ̀rù, ẹ má yẹ káwọn kan máa po ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀bànújẹ́ fún yín pé ká bá dá dúró ebi ọ̀pá wá. Irọ́ ni, tá a bá dá dúró ebi kan ò ní wá pa. Ọlọ́run kẹ́ wa, ó fi ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ ó fi kẹ́ wa. Kí là gbìn sórí ilẹ̀ wa tí ò ní wù? Táwọn ẹbí kan tó ilẹ̀ ní ìsìnkú yìí káàdì mọ́tò pàmò wá kí ni wọ́n ń pè náà ajílẹ̀, kò sí yẹn, kò ní ìdìbò ká wájílẹ̀ ká máa fi ká tó pin nǹkan. Ọ̀nà wa ni ebi ọ̀pá fi kọ́ wa. Sáàdì gbàgbé ni, sáàdì gbàgbé ń mèremère tí bàbá wa ọba ìyàwó lọ́wọ́ ṣe fún alẹ́ Yorùbá ni. Sáàdì gbàgbé ni, nígbà ìbáwọ́ lọ́wọ́ ṣe prime minister nílẹ̀ Yorùbá nílẹ̀ kóòtù òjíire nígbà ayé wọn. Àwọn ògbójúlépò ṣé epo ní wọ́n fi ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe ni. Nǹkan àgbẹ̀, kòkó àti nǹkan ọ̀gbìn ní gbogbo owó tí wọ́n ná tó ń ṣe gbogbo mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ́rẹ́ tó ń ṣe fún alẹ́ Yorùbá. Ẹni ẹ̀wọ̀n tó kọ́ ṣe fún ilé ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀fẹ́. Àwọn ẹni tí first pet l'Áfíríkà tá a gbọ́dọ̀ ilé ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ lẹ̀ ní gbogbo Áfíríkà tí ó dàbí ìlú kíkan lébo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni, ilẹ̀ kóòtù òjíire ni. Àwọn ẹni àkọ́kọ́ ilé ìwòsàn ọ̀fẹ́ ní gbogbo àgbáyé kò ṣe é tọ̀hún ilẹ̀ Yorùbá nìna. Àwọn olóòrùn àwọn tó kó kẹ́lẹ̀ fún wa kọ́ ìbá àfọ̀húnkẹ́ wọn, kọ́ ìbá àfọ̀húnkẹ́ wọn lọ́wọ́. Kí ni wọ́n bá yẹn lẹ́rù gbé dábàá dádó lásìkò táwa yìí? Ẹgbẹ́ ìyàwó lọ́fẹ́ jẹ wá. Ẹyẹ ìṣòro kú sọ mọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yọ́ máa lé Yorùbá. Irú ẹ̀yìn mẹ́rin lẹ̀fẹ̀ kí iye ẹ̀gbọ́n dádúró lẹ́sẹ̀ ọ̀gbọ́n pa Yorùbá. Ṣé ojú ọ̀sán fún yín ni? Ṣé gbogbo ní sẹ̀sẹ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá yìí? Ṣé kòkòrò kájà fún mi lára wa ni? Ṣé kòkòrò kájà fún mi lára wa ni? Èmi ẹ bá mi pé ètò ìkọ́lọ́ dáadáa, mo ní ohun kan tó fẹ́ pè fún wa. Ohun yẹn àǹfààní kẹta jẹ tá a bá dá dúró òun ni mo fẹ́ ká tóbi dáa wa gbọ́ látẹnu Olayomi Koiki. Tẹ́tí gbọ́, mo fẹ́ ká tóbi dáa wa gbọ́ látẹnu Olayomi Koiki. Àwọn ayé pa ìlú bá tó fẹ́ pé ẹ̀yìn sítọ̀ kú sọ tí ẹ̀fẹ̀ kí ìrìn Yorùbá kó lóko ẹrú. Ẹ̀fẹ̀ ká kú sóko ẹrú Nàìjíríà ni. Tó jẹ́ pé eléyìí ò ní fún iṣẹ́ ẹ̀dín ìdíyẹ kújẹ lábẹ́ Nàìjíríà bì. Ẹ wá lè pé gbogbo wa láwàásù lákọ̀ọ́ nìkan náà bì, gbogbo àlẹ́ ìsìn lákọ̀ọ́ nìkan láéláé. Ìjẹ́ ìdẹ́ ń jẹ lábẹ́ Nàìjíríà ní ọ̀pá yín tí ẹ̀ bá dẹ́kun láti jẹkújẹ. Ẹ support movement kájọ da àjàyè. Kí ló dé? Ẹ̀yìn ìṣòro fún sọ káàkiri mọ́. Tá a bá dá dúró egbò ní pa wá, ọkàn wọn balẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin náà wò ó, a ní 36 states, Àbújá 37. Ẹbí ìlọ́wọ́ ayé nínú 36 states ta níyẹn. Àwọn ìyàwó ló ní ìtọ́pọ̀ jù nú ẹ̀. Ẹbí ìlọ́wọ́ ayé ìyẹn máa ní Yorùbá, ẹbí ìlọ́wọ́ ayé. Àwọn ìyàwó ló ní ìtọ́pọ̀ jù nú ẹ̀. Ìbáwọn ìyàdí ń kọ́ alẹ́ ìwúlẹ̀ ló ní ìtọ́pọ̀ jù nú ẹ̀. Àbí ìta wọn ni. Àwọn ìyàdí ń kọ́ alẹ́ ìwúlẹ̀ ló ní ìtọ́pọ̀ jù bẹ́ẹ̀. Nígbà táwọn ìyà kan kó 90 states nínú 36 states. Àbẹ́ẹ̀rí. Àwọn ẹ̀sìn ní wọn ò ní wájú nǹkan lórí ilẹ̀ wọn lọ́hùn. Wọn ò ní iṣẹ́ nǹkan lórí ilẹ̀ wọn lọ́hùn. Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ní iṣẹ́ pọ̀jù sí. Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ní iṣẹ́ pọ̀jù sí. Àwọn Ìgbò náà gẹ̀ẹ́ táwọn náà nìní. Wọ́n má tẹ̀lé tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn Fúlàní tí wọ́n jẹ́ kí wọ́n ní ilé iṣẹ́ ní ọ̀hún mọ́. Tó gbogbo àwọn Ìgbò ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ogun wọn sá wá. Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ogun wọn sá wá ní wọ́n tó wá sọ wáyé. Ṣé tó bá dá tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ pàwọ́ bá wọn pé òun tó lọ dogun fún wa. Ṣé ebi ọ̀pá wá bá ní? Ẹ̀yẹ́ màlẹ̀ kí wọ́n tó gbé tó bá dá ebi ọ̀pá wá. Ẹ sọ láti mọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ kúsọ yẹn o. Ẹ stop láti mọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ kúsọ yẹn. Táwọn fẹ́ kẹ́ ní ó ya tó ya sí pàkọ́. Èèyàn màlẹ̀ nípa ìjà tí yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n play òun náà fún wa kárí wọn gbọ́ lọ. Ẹ ṣe gan ni. Ẹ bá wa ká lọ.
Koiki Koiki Media bringing the work forward. In the last 26 years of a fraudulent democracy, a government of intimidation, a government that the world knows exactly the truth, and only the truth, but yet refuse to accept that Nigeria is not a one country. And I take you straight, just about a few hours precisely yesterday, not few hours, yesterday, coming to my wire desk, that the same America that fought itself to be free from United Kingdom continue to deceive millions of indigenous people to remain in a country where insecurity has become one of the biggest threats to humanity. If anybody is open and thinking that any country will save you from the current crisis of Nigeria, what they will do is just to portray the diplomatic line by deceiving millions of Nigerians with their Twitter handle and communicate as they've done for the last 16 years of this crazy country called Nigeria that was forced into an amalgamation. And as usual, the American government representatives in Nigeria have done the same thing. They kept quiet. If one person is killed in America, we know the reaction of the American government. But since Nigeria is not a country, the American government can continue to tell lies and deceive you. But the leadership of Akintoye is telling you the truth and nothing but the truth. Your life will remain not safe if we continue to live in one Nigeria. And this is a communique, as we have read many of such communiques, with nobody being held accountable for the death of indigenous people from Plateau State to Borno to the southwest. American government has released another communique, and it goes like this. The U.S. mission in Nigeria on their Twitter handle, known as the X official, the United States Embassy in Nigeria is deeply saddened by the condemned recent act of violence in Borno State. That is not violent. American government is telling lies. That is a terrorist attack. And terrorist attack is something that will not bring unity and create the enabling environment for businesses, neither for those that live in that country if Nigeria was even a country at the first stage. And also in Imo State, and the most recent in Benue and Plateau, as the Fulani jihadis have now gone into the high scale of suicide bomber. And the news breaking out just about a few hours ago today, I will be telling you what you need to know. This is coming on the China's television today, the 29th of May 2029. The Nigerian military, 18 soldiers, 15 police officers are now selling weapons to the terrorists. We know this before, we want those in Lagos State. Lagos is one of their trade routes. I will tell you more for those that are concerned to know. The ongoing threat faced by communities and community leaders in Nigeria are deeply troubling. It will continue because Nigeria is not a country. But rather than the United States of America to come out and speak the truth, they are not going to do so because of their own interest in the current state of what is known as a fake country called Nigeria. So if anybody is waiting that America is coming to rescue you, you will all die one by one according to T.Y. Danjuma. We extend our heartfelt condolences to all those affected by this senseless act. Again, it's normal. That is what I will tell you. We condone until the indigenous people are wiped off as Fulani did in 1806 to the outside kingdom. If you wait for America, you will all die one by one. We look to the Nigerian authority to conduct a thorough investigation to all those responsible and accountable. American government thinks they can still fool us in the 21st century. Who are they going to hold accountable? You tell me. American government cannot hold anybody accountable because they know that there's nobody to hold accountable. Because the country is so much divided. And the truth needs to be told to the American government that it is time that they look into the indigenous people requests from the Biafra to the Yoruba to the Hausa to the Ijaw and those that wants to be free. Because freedom must be at the backbone if America truly loves the indigenous people. Rather continue to release nonsense communique about condolences to the communities that have been affected by the terrorist attack on a daily basis, that there is no government that can take care of our people. So we are telling the American government today, the 29th of May 2025, that the 60 million Yoruba people will shut down the Southwest at the appropriate time as we wait for the clarion call of our leader. And we will have no other choice to take the bull by the horn, just like America did with the United Kingdom in 1774, when they fought to take back their own freedom. Like I said, the broadcast is not just for you. I am communicating to the international audience, and this is going to be 80% in English. The United States stands with Nigeria in effort to promote peace. Stop telling lies to us, United States. We can never find peace in Nigeria. Rather, we will all continue to fight each other for the disunity and the distrust that Britain embedded across every part of the region.
Ìgbẹ́ tẹ̀ wọ́n wà tẹ̀ ń gbọ́ wa ẹ bá wa pín ètò yìí ẹ bá wa pín kọ́ lọ dáadáa káwọn èèyàn àwọn náà lè bá jàǹfààní nǹkan tá a mú wá fún wọn ohun tá a mú wá fún wọn lórí ètò tòní kó lè bá jàǹfààní ẹ bá wa pín ẹ tì mọ́ gbàgbé láti bá mi subscribe to YouTube channel mi o Ìbíyẹmí TV show lórúkọ YouTube channel mi ẹ bá mi subscribe torí ẹ ṣẹ́dígbọ́ ẹ ṣe gan ni ẹ bá wa ká lọ.
And this takes me back to Ango Abdullah. Dissolution is the solution. It is time for us to exercise the power of sovereignty that we have wasted and sold under the guise spurious elections over the years. As the criminal politicians across Nigeria continue to gain momentum to prepare the 2027 election, knowing fully well that four things will continue to stand if this is not addressed. Nigerians should be preparing for a civil war in 2027. Otherwise, Nigeria gone over will be exploded in 2027 due to some of this reason. Blood-related distrust, insincerity, and the false pretense at unity. We can never be united, and we will not be united because Germany will not want France to live in the same country with them when they speak different languages. You cannot put the Italian and the Spanish people together and tell them to have unity. But what they've done in the last 35 years of the European Union is each one has their own sovereignty. And under their sovereignty, they are able to do what they call trade, negotiation, and come together under one body, known as the European Union. But the same United Kingdom that gave the room for their citizens to exit what is known as the British exit, are now telling indigenous people to continue with a fraudulent election that can never save anybody. Let me take you back to how the result came out after the European Union decided that if the UK wants to leave and have their own sovereignty and shut down their borders, they have all the right, but their citizens must be given the same opportunity to decide their fate. But today, the leadership of Akintoye has now addressed President Bola Ahmed Tinubu before it is too late that the unity of one Nigeria is no longer viable. In his own interest, it will be better for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to allow a peaceful dissolution of Nigeria. If otherwise, Nigeria will go the same direction like Yugoslavia. And that is what Akintoye is advising Tinubu in the letter dated 25th of May 2025, which is 4 days ago, and this is the final warning to him. That the Yoruba Self-Determination Movement, a public letter to His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to now come into a roundtable discussion with the 60 million Yoruba people that are tired and fed up of the lies of what UK created that has never given us the unity, the sincerity, and the forceful pretenses that we are one. So when a country like America is telling us that the United States stands with Nigeria in its effort to promote peace, American government, there will never be peace in Nigeria. A war is going to break up very soon, and we are calling your attention not to come and negotiate, but just for you to know ahead. Now, for you to continue to tell the indigenous people that there will be peace, you are literally promoting what will end up become the next Sudan and the next Somalia in Nigeria. The Biafra War of 1967 will be a shock change to what is going to happen, as unity is no longer embedded in Nigeria today. Everybody knows that. The Hausa are now fighting to take control back of what they lost in 1806 of the Fulani invasion and the killings by Usman Danfodio that continue the same agenda with the current 20th Shaitan of Sokoto that is controlling all the Fulanis across the southwest and those in the Sahel to come down to Nigeria and take the land that belongs to them. Just like Buhari, the former president, encouraged all the Fulanis that their new home is Nigeria and they can come in without any question. That has led to many killings and the insecurity that we find ourselves. As Dangote is used to promote this terrorism, as more are brought down from Castina to cut grass in Lagos State. Now we know why the news is coming out today that Lagos State is one of the states out of the 11 states that 18 soldiers, 15 police officers are trading arms. I will tell you more about that. But as we prepare the 60 million to the final stage of when we won't get our country, our own independent country, because we never gained independence in 1960. Britain knew quite well that there is nothing called independent when the first election was rigged in 1959, and evidence continue to point out. As Bill Clinton said, and I quote, "You can tell lies to those that you want to tell lies to, but you cannot own the people that wants to be free." It is better that we let the indigenous people to be free because of the mistake that they did during the Biafra War. This time around, nobody will be able to stop the dissolution and the de-amalgamation of Nigeria. And this is what Bill Clinton said in one of his interviews some few years back. But it's not the word and consideration that you're going to stretch for and people don't want to be controlled. If Tinubu thinks he can control Nigerians, he cannot control the indigenous people that hold ancestral land. The ancestral land belongs to the 60 million people. And under the leadership of Akintoye, the Yoruba will be free forever. With Tinubu or without Tinubu, as we have now given him the final letter that needs for him to go, that we are now at the crossroad, which says no going back. They want to be free to charge their own cost. The Biafra wants to charge their own cost. The Hausa wants to charge their own cost. The Olóyè wants to charge their own cost. They enjoy putting us together under one target called Nigeria that is bloodletting, distrust and sincerity and false pretense and unity according to Ando Abdullah. What is unity? With question mark. We are all in various degrees suffered in this British fraudulent amalgamation. And we are saying loud and clear, 60 million Yoruba people will rise against the injustice that has taken place for the last 110 years of what was never negotiated. Our forefathers never negotiated this amalgamation, and we will pull out of the structure if anybody thinks otherwise. You better start thinking in the right direction. Nothing binds us together in Nigeria. Yoruba are not peoples. That is why the British citizen were given the opportunity whether they want to remain as a one country still under the European Union. And the referendum was conducted. And this referendum was given to those to have their say. And the result came back within a very short, limited time after the election that was never rigged. Compared to election across Nigeria where ballot boxes are stolen, as millions of people suffer the injustice of a fake country called Nigeria. And this was how the result came out after the election of the European Union when the British citizens conducted a referendum. For those that want to leave, say ha, and those that doesn't want to go, say nay. But I had it with 51.9%. Out of the total number of those that live in the United Kingdom in terms of their population, as at the time, the population as of 2016 was 65.16 million. But out of that, 17,410,742 voted for yes, we want to leave the European Union. The number was slightly just high compared to 48.1% that wanted to remain. 16,141,241 were given the privilege to vote, but their vote could not supersede those that wanted to vote. And that means within the day that the UK announced the result, the previous passport that the British citizens had the emblem of the European Union stopped to exist, to travel. And that will be the same when the Yoruba nation is declared. Nigerian passport will no longer be valid for any of the 60 million Yoruba people. Our own passport will then have to be used to travel across the globe as we wish to. For those of you that do not know what is coming, prepare your mind because the end of Nigeria is about to be witnessed by 60 million indigenous people. If you are Yoruba in Brazil, prepare for a new nation. If you are in Cuba, prepare for a new nation. If you are in Argentina, the Yoruba people have now spoken. The 60 million that are ready to exit the fraudulent amalgamation that Britain thought would last forever. We will leave Nigeria and we will have our own independent country. And the federal government will have to respect such because